Normally, these junkets take place in different hotels, different hotel rooms, and that's sort of the usual expected environments. But I thought we would spice it up a little bit by doing this in a morgue. So this is actually a real life morgue. And not only that, but I wanted to surprise some of the reporters with a little something something. So, what do you think? Should we scare some people today? I think it'd be kind of fun. An old phone now?
Everybody, this is Luigi.
Hi, Luigi.
Hello, Luigi in the building, Big Boys neighborhood.
So nice to meet you. And a couple things go bump in the night.
A couple of things or a lot of things?
A lot of things.
What was it like just being there? Oh, why did you do that, Shay? You know about that. Okay.
I couldn't even answer the question.
So if you love these freaky movies, mother.
I can't help it. I had to.
She's loving this a little too much.
Everybody, this is Sisini.
Hi, Sissy. Hi. Nice to see you.
This is definitely a first for me.
Yeah, I had to switch it up a little bit. You know what I mean? She really did have that going throughout the movie.
When everyone else kind of... Oh my God, come on! I don't even know
I'm sorry.
what the rest of my
I
questions
know.
are.
No one ever does. Take a moment. Let's regroup.
And so how did...
My God! No, you didn't!
I did.
She did me dirty right now. She did me dirty.
Another one bites the dust. Don't.
What was the most There are plenty of jobs.
There were so many moments. Oh my God! Oh my God! Sorry. Oh my gosh! I think I peed a little.
Aww.
I just want to go to the bar. I need a drink. I don't know why you don't have one in your hand. Right here. Thank you. Okay, come here. Mom, why are you on the thing? Are you okay?
Hey, I steamed out that kimono. You come on camera.
You're nervous?
No, I'm not. I just don't
You're nervous being on camera? I'm going to be on camera for 2 hours upstairs. Can you believe I came out of that? And look at her. She's terrified.
I just don't like me on camera.
You don't have to watch yourself. You will though. She watches all my YouTube videos. And reads all the comments. So if you ever leave a nasty comment, Precious HM649 is her, okay? 649. Go in and do my little speech. Yeah. I need to read it again.
No, you don't.
Okay, fine.
Don't need to read
Punch
it
you in the
again.
face. Okay. I truly, from the bottom of my heart, want to thank each and every one of you for coming tonight. 2 years ago, 2 days after I wrapped Pretty Little Liars, the fact that we are here at the ArcLight Theater is really, really surreal. Marlene, I want to honestly thank you so much. So obviously everybody knows Marlene, but the woman that gave me my start 8 years ago, 9 years ago, something like that. Are you scared?
I am scared.
We need to do a shot. I mean, I need a drink, and you need to come.
Oh, I
say
thought
it.
you meant like a shot.
No, like an actual like. David, my manager, I love you. Thank you for pushing me to do this because without you, I wouldn't have done it. And last but not least, I want to thank Sammy, my amazing assistant, because she was with me for 6 weeks while I was shooting this, having anxiety attacks every single day. So I love you for not running away from me because I was crazy and batshit. Thank you for coming. And I love you all. Seriously, Sally? Okay? I told you 2 drinks. Then you go and do this. I'm not carrying you home anymore. I'm over it.
Do you get that?